Smashers!
Chump, you've been invited to the Smashodrome to award you a gigantic trophy made of all the cars you've smashed in the Smashers Monster Motor League.
It's all thanks to you, my trusty monster truck, the Wreckosaurus Rex. Huh, where is everybody? Whoa, we're locked in! Something smells fishy, Rex. Yeah!
You got that right, Chumbucket.
Tooth Gnasher, my biggest rival in the league.
Hey! I thought I was your biggest rival!
P.T. Thunderbones, my oldest rival.
We're taking over your home turf, the Smashodrome.
If you want my turf, you're gonna have to beat me in the Smashers Crash and Bash.
Yay! A classic demolition derby? You're on! We're gonna crush your truck and your dreams!
The rules of the Crash and Bash are simple. Keep driving the junker car course as long as you can. Last car to crash wins the whole Smashodrome. Drivers ready? Set?
Rex, play my classic Crushers mixtape.
Go!
Keep your pedal to the metal and your eyes on the road. When you see the green light, it's time to explode.
Whoa! Whoa! Pull me up!
Where'd he go?
Get Chump! Na 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 na. I don't know the words here.
There he is! Nowhere to run now! Missed me!
Oops! How about a game of dominoes, Thunderbones?
We're stuck. It's some kind of giant magnet.
You think your truck is tough, Chump? You're no match for my crushing jagged jaws! Say,
Yeah!
I win!
Not so fast! Look! It's going to sneeze! I'm not on the menu tonight.
No! Not me! Chump was supposed to get chumped!
And that's the match! Chump and his truck Wreckosaurus Rex are still the reigning champions of the Smashodrome!
We're not done with you yet, Chump! The Smashodrome will be ours!
Smashers!
Incoming message from Tooth Gnasher.
Tooth Gnasher? My arch rival. What does that Fin Fiend want?
Listen up, Chump the Chump! Meet me on the sludge streets for a street race. Just me versus you. Shark versus Pooh. And you're the Pooh.
I got that.
Winner gets the other race's truck. Unless you dinosaurs really are chickens.
I'll be there, you snarky shark.
The slime pits can cause some slippery racing conditions.
If I want to get the edge on Tooth Gnasher, I'll need some upgrades. I know just a mechanic.
Chump! You old fossil! What brings you to the sludge streets?
Looking for gear that can handle the goo.
You came to the right flop shop! I've got the muck to trick out your truck! First, you'll need terror treads. They'll give you traction when you're in action. Woo! And here's my favorite. I've attached the goopling hook. This slime slinger will latch a slime line to anything you shoot at it.
Thanks, Slimeball. I knew you were the glob for the job.
And here's your bill.
Oh, this is... Do you take truck bucks?
You just made that up, didn't you?
Yeah.
Didn't think you'd show. Now eat ocean land, lubber.
Tooth Gnasher's not racing fair. Surprise there.
Activate terror treads.
Whoa, way to cut through the goo.
Drat! How about a bump from my fin fenders?
He's going to try to push us off Swampy Swerve. It's P.T. Thunderbones. Look out!
Chump!
You're gonna be skid marks and I'm done with you!
We're headed right for Swampy Swerve!
We're both gonna crash!
Activate the goopling hook! Fire! Yeah! We did it!
Your truck ought to cover Chump's bill, unless you want to buy it back.
Do you take truck bucks?
Now,
Smashers! Thanks for taking me to my grandma's house. Well, she'll really love all this rock climbing gear I got her for her birthday. Rock climbing gear? How old is your grandma? 114! She'll love it! You're, very thoughtful, Roadkill Rat.
Chump, heat in the demolition desert is exceeding 300 degrees.
Crank that AC, Rex. It's a scorcher out there. Scorpions! Scorching hot scorpions! Scorching scorpions. That's hard to say. Let's call them scorchies.
I'm sorry, Chump. I'm overheating.
Don't worry, Rex. We'll get help, but I'm not sure from where. Hey, look! Am I seeing things? Oh! Is that an ice cream truck? Oh, I'm just a nice guy. I'm not a bad guy. Got no secret tricks up my sleeve. Well, howdy, folks. You boys need a helping hand? Yeah, our truck broke down on the way to Rat's grandma's house. Well, golly, I'm just a friendly ice cream man out delivering freeze cones on a hot day. Do you have mint chocolate chip? Why, sure. Got a whole bunch in here. Hop in the back of my truck and I'll drive you fellers to town. Okay, thanks. Hey, wait. There's no ice cream in here. I can't believe you fell for that. PT Thunderbones? Oh, you crusty carburetor. You thought you could wreck my ride and get away with it? Now I'm stealing your truck. No! My grandma's rock climbing gear! This is no time to worry about Nana's birthday. Eat my dust, Dino Doofus! No! The rope, Chump! Grab the rope! This is gonna be fun. This is gonna hurt! Whoa! Whoa! Hey, Rat! I'm sand skiing! Ah! Oh, you want a little more torment, do you? Hold on! It's gonna be a bumpy ride! Oh! Oh! Ouchie! Oh! Chump! Look out for that pyramid! Yahoo! Swan dive! Oh, this is gonna hurt. Good luck with the scorchies, Toasty Bones! Ah! I'll get you, Chump! Smashers!
37 more miles, Chomp. The Sunnytime Highway is the most boring highway in all of Trucktropolis.
I know, Rex. Why would they ever build a road without jump ramps and flaming hoops?
It looks like there's road construction up ahead. Rerouting.
Oh, goody! A detour!
I know we were hoping for something a little more exciting, but this looks like...
My world! It's PT Thunderbones and his truck, the bone-rattling Skeletruck. You're in trouble now, Chump! My haunted boneyard loves road construction! It's like a maze of road construction! Oh!
Everywhere we try to go, a new detour pops up!
My skeleton crew will never let you leave! Get 'em, gearheads!
U-turn!
Yeah!
Stop!
Whoa!
Dead end!
I'm so confused!
Chomp, there's no way to get past past this foam barricade!
Skeleton crew, dismantle that truck! You're gonna get sold for spare parts! I'm gonna put your computer brain in a golf cart!
No! What are we going to do?
There's nowhere to go but up! Ha! Pop a wheelie, Rex! Blaster burners, now! Woo-hoo! I call this move the Wreckosaurus Wrecking Ball! Oops! I'll get you next time! Soon you'll see that I'm the greatest monster truck driver in the entire league! Why wait till next time? Let's settle this right now. Rex, we're heading to Skeletal Stadium. Smashers! Thunderbones has been attacking me for too long. It's time to bring the monster truck mayhem to his front door.
Looks like they knew we were coming.
Thunderbones! I'm calling you out!
All rise from your graves for your undead champion, the demonic driver of the haunted boneyard, P.T. Thunderbones!
Show off. So, Chump wants to call me out. Let's see what he thinks of the lunatic loop.
The lunatic loop is a flying trick challenge. Trucks drop down the devilish dive, gain speed through the lunatic loop, then launch off the raging ramp to land epic aerial stunts. Thunderbones, you're up first.
You can't beat me, Chump. I've got the power of ghoul gas.
Thunderbones starts off with a boneyard favorite, the Green Demon Flaming Backflip. Perfect times for Thunderbones. Chump does some sort of boring flaming dragon wing barrel roll. The judges aren't going to like that.
What? That was a great stunt. They're cheating, Chump.
Thunderbones goes for his second jump.
Okay, Skeletruck. Time for the Wicked Web Spinner.
This crowd has never seen a trick like this. Skeletruck has sprouted spider legs and is crushing this challenge in his web of destruction.
Abandon all hope, Dino Punk. Skeletruck, flip the serpent switch.
What perilous python?
Racing dirty, huh? I think it's time we used the horn.
The horn? Are you sure, Chump?
Beep, beep.
I can't believe it! Chump's horrendous horn has broken the moon! Awful asteroids are hurtling toward the stadium! And now he's jumping from Space Rock to Space Rock! I can't believe it! Chump truly brought the house down! And the judges have turned it up to 11! Chump and the Wreckosaurus Rex created the most monster truck mayhem! Chump wins!
That's some horn, Rex.
Wait till you see my turn signals.
Smashers!
Max Antifreeze reporting live from the Aqua Arena at the starting line of the Castaway Classic Cup.
That cup is as good as mine.
I'm here with Toot Dasher. He's the top truck driver in today's race. Because surprisingly, Chump T-Rex is nowhere in sight.
That overgrown turkey must have chickened out. And I had nothing to do with it, I swear.
Ah!
Chump, wake up! We're late for the race!
Ah! Somebody turned off my alarm clock! Let's go!
Missing the Custom-Made Cup is bad news for Chump. It's a qualifying event for the biggest monster truck competition of them all, Monster Truck Mayhem! This Sunday at the Smash-O-Dome!
With both Chump and Thunderbones out of the race, I'll win easy.
Hey! I might beat you.
Have you seen your stats, Turmoil? You're the worst in the league.
Nuh-uh. Trophus is worse than me.
Yeah, me win race. Me fast, you losers.
This race will be a piece of seaweed cake.
Monster Trucks, are you ready? Get set, go!
I'll be waiting at the finish line for you, Slowpokes! Shortcut!
Why him got shortcuts? Tooth Dasher knows the Castaway Cup course better than any driver.
Out of my way!
What was that? It was Chump.
Chump has entered the race! He started late, but he's coming up on Tooth Dasher fast!
Curse you, Chump! You made it to the race even with your alarm clock sabotaged. Try my shark tooth spike strip.
Whoa! Careful, Rex! Those teeth will tear up our tires! Yes! I'm ahead of Tooth Gnasher!
I wouldn't celebrate yet. My shell shooter shell out seashells by the seashore.
You can shell it out, but can you take the shellac attack? Say hello to my little shell.
Yeah!
Tidal wave power up!
Whoa!
Tidal wave power up!
What's going to happen?
Who's gonna win? We'll have to find out next episode.
Huh?
Smashers!
And the winner of this year's Smash Olympics is our greatest champion, Chump T-Rex!
Speech! 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 Thank you. You know, sometimes I look up at the stars and wonder, is there more out there than just Dino Island? And then I think, nah. He's right, you know. It's all here. Good one, Chump. There's nothing out there like a
Giant skull-shaped spaceship!
Right, Snarl. There's no giant skull-shaped spaceship out there. That would be ridiculous.
Smashers of Earth, bow before your new ruler.
Who's the new ruler? I don't remember us electing a new ruler.
It's me, you lump-headed lizards. Dr. Three-Horn shall be the Emperor of Dino Island.
No way, Hornface. Come on, Smashers. Let's smash this spiky spud.
Smash! Smash 'em!
Yahoo!
We're fighting aliens now? Sure. Why not? Whoopee!
Your cannons are no match for a classic clobbering.
My ship, the Battle Baron, is equipped with more weapons than you can shake your tail at. Activate Slime Slingers!
Oh, what a sticky situation!
Mayday! Mayday! Dino down!
My friends! I've got to save my friends. But how do I get past that slime slinger?
Ah!
Snarl! No!
Ah! Clean up on aisle 7!
You smashers! All you think about is your tiny battles on Dino Island. You don't know what's out there in outer space.
You haven't won until you've smashed every last Smasher Three-Horn, and you'll never beat me. It's a UFO! An unidentified flying omelet? Nope! Don't beat me up! I need to save my friends! Well, I don't know what's in outer space, but I feel like I'm about to find out.
Smashers!
Whoa! What is this place? Some kind of breakfast nightmare?
We are extraterrestrials.
You eggs think you can attack my friends? Get ready to be scrambled.
Well, we come in peace.
Dr. Three-Horn is our enemy too.
I am Yoki, and he is known as Pakak. We're friends.
Ugh, stay back. It's like being inside of a booger.
You're the one called Chump. You must become our champion. Champion. We must attach the Robo Blaster to you. You must become a Robosaurus.
Hey, no! I don't know what you Yoki jokers are selling, but this dino's not going over easy. Let me go! Hey, no!
Wait! We'll explain our elaborate backstory so you'll know why it is important for you to become our champion.
I don't have the attention span for that.
It will only take 4 Earth hours to explain. Thousands of years ago, the Great Chicken crossed the galaxy. He's asleep.
No, I'm awake. Please go on with your boring backstory.
During the First Galactic Congress, there were 14 senators from Bloop, Noodlebro, Flurgan 7, Cleveland, and that is why we came to Dino Island. You are the only dino who can defeat Dr. Three-Horn.
I was definitely awake for that. One question, why'd the chicken cross the galaxy?
To get to the other side, obviously. He's escaped.
I gotta get off this weirdo egg ship before I crack up. Yeah, that's an idea. I just gotta break out of my shell.
You must use the Robo Blaster to defeat Dr. Three-Horn.
We're too wimpy to do it ourselves.
Help us, Chump. You're our only hope.
Okay, I'll do it. I'll be the Robosaurus. Whoa! This tech is awesome! Let's scramble some space dino!
Smashers!
Wow! I love this Robo Blaster!
Initiate Project Easter.
Project Easter? What's that?
Project Easter is our state-of-the-art training program that will train you to be an expert with the Robo Blaster.
Okay, but why is it Easter themed?
Because someone spilled coffee on the control panel, and now the program's stuck on Easter. Sorry. Survive the springtime shenanigans, and watch out for Easter-themed danger around every turn. La 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 la.
I've been Easter egged! April showers bring blaster powers! Whoa! What's with the shakeup? Welp, the bunny moon's over.
Happy Easter!
Okay, Blaster, let's see what you can really do. Hop to it! Blast Tornado! Wow, this Blaster turned those chocolate bunnies into dust bunnies. Guess it's time for me to go further down the rabbit hole. What? Is this a trap?
Training complete. You are ready!
Whoa! We're going right now!
No time to waste! Save your friends! Defeat Dr. Three-Horn! Good luck, Chump! The fate of the galaxy is counting on you!
No pressure. Watch out, Three-Horn. I'm on the attack.
Happy Easter from the Smashers!
Smashers!
Dino Island is mine! The only problem I have left is that pesky Chump T-Rex. Let's see what happens when he has to battle his brainwashed friends. Send out the Cyber Smashers!
Okay, it's all up to me. I'll climb up Mount Hothead and destroy the Battle Fang. Huh? What was that? Who's there?
Oh, what is that? Oh, gross. Say cheese! Lizard breath!
Roasted rat! What happened to you?
Does not compute.
That's not good. Did Dr. Three-Horn brainwash you?
All hail, Dr. Three-Horn!
Take that as a yes.
You may have been upgraded by those silly egg aliens, but I've got my own better cheddar cheese chucker.
Rat, let me try and help you.
Eat moldy mozzarella, reptile.
I'm covered in a cloud of toxic, smelly cheese. It's a maze of cheese tunnels. I'll never catch a rat in here.
That's right, Chump. And my cheese tunnels are filled with the tastiest traps.
That cheddar was sharp. Whoa! I'm greater than your grater.
Garganzolad!
I've got some cheese for you, Rat. Swiss cheese.
Ah!
Swiss cheese. Get it? Because it's the one with the holes.
Uh-oh! This isn't Gouda!
Maybe this'll do the trick.
Chomp! Where am I?
Roasted rat! Is that you?
Dr. Three-Horn is a jerk!
You're back!
Dr. Three-Horn brainwashed all of us with his tritenas!
Come on, Rat. Let's go save our friends. We're the Gouda guys.
Smashers!
Curse you, Chomp! That cheese-chucking rodent failed me.
Hey, Dr. Three-Horn! I'm tough!
Sure you are, Roasted Rat.
It's time to activate a much more formidable flying foe. Burninate!
He's wicked fast now! What are we gonna do, Chomp? We'll be hidden from above, as long as we stay in tree cover. Yeah! We're out in the open! Run, Rat!
He's belching hot lava breath!
It's like he ate a dump truck full of garlic and hot sauce. He needs a dump truck full of breath mints. That's not a bad idea. Excuse me, Doctor. Do you have anything for bad breath? Like earth-scorching bad breath? It's for a friend of mine.
I see. These breath mints are extra strength. I'm going to prescribe you, about a dump truckload.
How do you have so many breath mints?
I'm a dinosaur dentist. A dentist for dinosaurs. You can't imagine what I've seen.
Let's see if this works. Now I'll just change the settings on my Robo Blaster to laser, rapid fire, footballs, tacos. Got it! Minty fresh! Good hygiene!
Chump, you saved me. And my smile, it's never been so sparkly.
4 out of 5 doctors recommend Dino Island breath mints to cure your gross, funky breath.
I'm the 5th doctor. I hate mints, and I hate dentists. Ah!